was one of the best experience of my life.
This call is now being recorded.
I'm recording this call. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
My school experience was one of the best experience of my life. I
Very
was
good.
very decent and attentive student. I
Yes.
really enjoyed all my lectures during my schooling. I had enjoyed a lot with my friends and
Hmm.
lovely time with my teachers. I participated in many functions of school programs, like on Independence Day, Republic Day. There was a program held in our school. My school name was my schooling. I did my schooling from Newer Academy, Saharanpur.
Okay.
It was a great school. It was a great
Yes.
school, and it was a great time for me to be there.
You had a great experience.
Yes, ma'am.
I
And
had a great experience. क्या बोलेंगे?
I
Great
had
time की जगह?
I had a great experience.
Hmm. Very good.
I had a great experience. I give many speeches, assembly time,
Hmm.
to build my confident levels.
So
And
you were a very confident student.
no, ma'am, not so much, but I want to build my confidence.
Very good.
That quality teachers like of mine. Okay, matlab she want to do.
She wants
I
to
was not
work
able
on her confidence. She wants to build her confidence
to
up.
get confident, and and oh,
That's it. Good job, Nabia. Very good job.
thank you, ma'am.
All right. And did you study the four tenses that I told you?
Yes, ma'am.
You did? Will you
Yes,
be
ma'am.
making mistakes on it?
No, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
All right. So let's proceed now. Um, your experience in school is done. Okay, experience in school is done, right? So let's talk about just 1 second. Yeah. So let's talk about if you want to have a pet, want to have or own a pet, what would that be and why?
Oh, no.
So you have to tell me the reasons. Okay. Do you need 2 minutes, Nabia?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'll give you 2 minutes and then we'll proceed.
Okay. Don't like cooking pets because we have to look after them.
Yes, Nabia. Let's start.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, let's start.
Okay, ma'am. If I will own a pet, it would be a cat. A cat. I like cats. They look very innocent and cute. They jump from here and there. Just they they drink milk, and I like to look after them.
Very good. Look after your learning.
Yes, ma'am. Look after them. So that um, I will keep a white cat. Kept a white
You'll
cat.
keep a white cat.
White cat. Pure
Mhm.
white. Because white color is my favorite. And in animals, it look more cute,
Yes.
innocent.
And what would you name your cat as?
I would name it. I would name it Angel.
That's a beautiful name. Angel.
Yes, ma'am.
That's very beautiful.
Yeah.
All right, that's really nice. Okay, we'll do a picture composition now.
Okay, ma'am.
Give me a second, I'll share a picture with you.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll practice a story. Yeah. Just one second. Can you see the screen, Nabia?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll show you the picture. This we did yesterday already, this one. What do you see in this picture?
I see. Uh, they are the they are the children. They are
Hmm?
they are they
Okay,
are
what is
collecting
the
something.
scene in it? It's a beach, right?
Yes, ma'am. It's a beach,
Hmm.
and the children are uh, collecting some animals.
They're not collecting animals. It's a dirty beach. So they are cleaning the beach.
Okay, ma'am. They are cleaning the beach.
Can you see the filth there? Now when something is very dirty, write down. When something is very dirty, you call it as filthy.
Okay, ma'am.
Filthy. Filthy. So now this beach is really,
F-I-L
really filthy.
F-I-L
Filthy.
T-H-Y filthy. It
Filthy.
is very filthy beach. So
Yes.
they are cleaning the beach
Yes.
to make their surroundings
Very good.
clean and to make their air fresh.
Yes.
They are doing great job
They're doing a great job. But one, you see that this person, this little child is crying. Why is he crying?
because because some insect has stuck her hand.
Okay, this child is crying because there is a crab that has bitten it. Crab ने काट लिया है. How would you say a crab has bitten
A crab has bitten him.
his little finger, right?
Has bitten him.
ये crab है. You see a lot of crabs on when you go to a beach side. When you go to a beach, you'll find a lot of crabs there. Crabs.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, people eat crabs as well, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In
There are
seafood, it's
many
very
crabs
famous.
in the floor also.
Hmm. Yes, they can. Yeah, they come on the shore as well, and they live inside the sea as well,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And what else? What else do you see? Do you see this man?
Yes, ma'am. When man is running and trying to go to this boy and help him.
Yeah, he's trying to save the boy from the crab bite, right?
Yes, ma'am. And here the two childs are enjoying. The boy standing here is
Yeah, they're
happy.
laughing at him.
They're laughing at him. Yeah.
है ना, हंस रहे हैं उसके ऊपर तो क्या बोलेंगे?
They are laughing at him.
Yes, they're laughing at him. And this man is trying to do what? He's trying to, Willow, he's trying to,
Which one? He's trying to help him.
very
Give
good,
a hand. Give a hand.
give a hand or save him
Save him.
from the crab bite, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, ye ladki, what do you see in this girl? This girl you see here?
Yes, ma'am.
How, what is her expression?
She's looking worried, and as she's cleaning that, so she's thinking that it might can hurt to me also.
It might hurt me as well. So
Yeah,
she's
might hurt
looking
me.
worried, right? So good word for worried is concerned. She is looking concerned. Write down.
Concerned.
Yes. She's looking what? Concerned.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How do you know that the beach is dirty?
Because there are many crab around that.
There are many crabs, and you see cans and bottles and
Yes, ma'am.
plastic bags,
Many
right?
animals.
Littered. So people जब गंदा करते हैं ना लोग ऐसे ऐसे छोटी छोटी जगह पे, what do you call it? The people have littered the beach, or people have littered around. So littering कर दी है, right? There's a lot of litter on the beach.
Yes, ma'am.
So litter, Litter. And to litter is a verb. That means that you're making anything dirty, or you're putting junk around, throwing away junk around and not putting it in the right way. It's littering. Like you're supposed to throw the junk in the dustbin, but instead of putting it in the dustbin, you just put it on the road. You throw it on the road, or you throw it on the beach or anywhere which you're not supposed to. So you are littering, right? So if you go to some public places, you'll always find boards where it is written, "Do not litter," right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now, what is the expression of this boy that you see here?
It is not zooming on my.
This boy you see here at the back, there are two people at the
Boy
back.
is
One,
also, this boy is also looking concerned and
yes,
and and worried about the boy.
he looks like he's in a little shock, isn't it? He looks surprised.
Yes, ma'am. Surprised and shocked that he from this how crab has
Yeah, how the crab has bitten.
bitten him.
Exactly. And this boy is crying. Right? Now, when someone is crying a lot, what do you say? बहुत
Weeping.
ज्यादा कोई रोता है तो
Weeping. He is weeping.
weeping. Very good. He's weeping. That is very good word for crying. Synonym for crying. What else can you say?
He's,
बहुत ज्यादा रोता है तो you can say that he's hmm. Just give me a second. Yeah. Now tell me. What do you see? That the boy is crying and he's weeping, right?
yes, ma'am.
Hmm. And you know when children are एक second. Just give me a second. हाँ, मम्मा क्लास चल रहा है. Yeah, continue. I'm sorry, I got a little distracted. Okay, can you describe a few words about a beach? Can you give me a few adjectives about a beach?
This,
How do you feel like a beach is? When you have you ever been to a beach?
no, ma'am, I have never gone, but I had seen in many movies
Mm-hmm.
and many cartoons that
Hmm.
the girls go on a picnic to the beach. Yes, ma'am, I have gone. Yeah, ma'am,
Yeah.
I remember I have gone beach. I have gone
You've
beach.
gone to a beach? You've been to a beach?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
It was in beach. There, it is most of the beaches are very dirty. There are
Yeah.
many tenants because beaches around there are many shops. So people buys the cold drinks and many cans and
And what do
snacks.
they do? They litter.
They litter there only, and it's very
Yes,
bad habits of people.
exactly.
So most beaches are beautiful, but they are very littered. That's why they they never looks good.
Yes. But now imagine that you've gone to a very beautiful beach. So when you go to a beach, what do you feel? You feel what? You
I
feel
feel very
pleasant?
it is a very peaceful environment
Yes. You feel
because the
pleasant, you feel
beach
peaceful.
around peaceful and pleasant, and it is very that grasses are around and trees are around that trees are around the beach. It is all the beaches are covered with the trees and greenery.
Yes. So there's greenery as well, right?
Yes, ma'am. Beaches are covered with greenery. Stones are also there. Stones boundaries.
Yes. So you see, we don't say stones, we say pebbles.
Pebbles.
Yes.
Mushrooms.
The beaches and
Pebbles.
the rivers have pebbles.
Mushrooms.
What?
Mushrooms.
Yeah, mushrooms. What about them?
They are they are the trees. They are the small trees. Very small trees. Around the water they gathers around the water. Near the water they gather.
Very good. Near the riverside, usually you will see.
Yes, ma'am.
Lakeside or a riverside, you'll see. Not along a beach, but yeah, you see around a lakeside or a riverside.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And what else do you feel when you go to a beach? What is the feeling that you have?
The environment is very peaceful and pleasant, but it is not due to it loses its due to glitter. It doesn't look so much great and amazing, and the view. the view on beaches are very beautiful. The view, the we see
It's
the
a very serene view. What do you say? Serene. Serene. Serene view.
everything seems lively there.
Yes, everything seems very lively there.
Yes, ma'am.
What else?
It is very amazing experience to sit on beach with the family or with any friends,
Yes, at night it's
discussing
very.
our
At night you
playing
have
the
what
game.
do you have at night? At beaches, रात में ठंडी हवा चलती है, right?
Yes, ma'am. At night there is a very pleasant air blowing towards.
Yes. So you can say that it's very windy. Wind चलती है, so it's very windy, right? और जब जब हल्की हल्की भीनी भीनी हवा चलती है ना,
Yes,
ठंडी
ma'am.
ठंडी, तो you call it breeze.
Breeze.
So you feel cool breeze on your skin, right? ठंडी ठंडी हवा स्किन पे फील होती है. It feels really nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Breeze. हल्का सा हवा चलती है ना, उसको बोलते हैं ब्रीज.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. What else? अच्छा चलो, let's do something else now. So yesterday, Nabia, you went to a shopping mall, right? And you experienced um, a few people fighting there, right? So it was not a pleasant experience. So you experienced that a few people are fighting and it was not at all pleasant. Okay?
It was very awful experience.
Awful experience. So you have to describe what kind of experience was it? What did you do? And when you saw the people fighting, what happened? And anything that you can cook up in your head. Okay? You want to write down? You want some time to prepare or think?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then I'll give you 2 minutes and then we'll start.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Nabia. Tell me, what did you write?
I write that yesterday.
I wrote.
I wrote yesterday. I went to shopping on a mall with my friend. It is one of the great vast mall of Delhi.
I went to shopping mall with my friends. क्या बोलेंगे?
I went to shopping mall with my
Yesterday,
friend.
I went to shopping mall with my friends. I went to, याद रखना, to ऐड करना है. मैं shopping mall गई थी, so I went to shopping mall with my
With my
friends.
friend.
Hmm.
It is one of the great and vast mall of Delhi.
Very good.
We decided to do a lot of shopping.
Hmm.
But when we reached there, we saw a group of people standing and making a lot of noises.
Very good.
We asked from someone, why are they shouting and why they are shouting. He told us that they are fighting from last few minutes, and
Hmm.
I don't know the reason why are they fighting. Then one of my friends go there and talk to someone that what is the reason. He come to know that that they are fighting because they want to buy same thing.
Okay, so they wanted to buy the same thing.
Same thing they want to buy, but shopkeeper told them that it is a
So they had
just
only one piece left.
one piece left, single piece left. Then my friend told them that it is single piece left of this color only, na? Of this color.
Just
Then
one
he
minute.
asked,
One. Yes.
yes, ma'am. Then
Continue.
the shopkeeper told them that it is a single piece left of this color only. Then he asked from my friend asked from shopkeeper that there might be more colors in this. Yes, he said, of course I am having more colors, but they are fighting for the same color,
Same color and the same piece. They have
the
a
same.
problem that they're fighting for the same color. Oh my god.
My,
Then what happened?
my friend told to them that it cannot be possible. So you should take different colors. You should then he said he take many color. Mm,
Hmm.
then he do that. He just mm, he अभी मतलब क्या कहते हैं he closes he said that you close your eyes both of you and which color there are many colors kept in that. He said to shopkeeper that keep many colors, 2 3 colors, the and which one they will select, they will get that one.
Okay. So he had to close his eyes and put a finger on any
Finger
of
on
the.
any
Yeah.
of the
So what do you
colors.
say? That he had to close his eyes and put a finger.
To put a
Write it
finger,
down. To put a finger on.
close his eyes and put a finger
Choose
on.
को बोल सकते हैं that he had to put a finger on any of the products of different colors.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Then they think that it is, then they happily accepted, and then
They accepted it. Yes.
they happily accepted, and then they they do the same thing.
They did.
They did the same thing, and they were happy, and just thanking my friend that we were fighting and kids, you solve our problem. The colors may be different, but the piece is same, and it is not a great. It is not a big
Big issue.
big issue. Okay, thanks. They thanks my friend and us. We were together. To me also, they thanks, and then just they go. They
Very good. Very good. Now you have to remember to not make the mistake of using they were saying, they were doing, they were there say. No, you're saying a story, it has to be in the same tense. Don't keep changing the tense. Now they were doing is past continuous tense that you're using instead of simple past. In, right? And Nabia, one more mistake that you made was that they told to them instead of saying told to them, say told them.
they told them.
Yeah, they told them, not told to them, but they told them, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Let's learn something else now. Did I teach you the usage of words put yesterday?
No, ma'am. Usage of put.
Put.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So write down number one is to put on. Put on. Two things you can put on. Number one is you can put on weight.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you put on weight? You say that I have put on weight. What do you say?
I have put on weight.
Yes. And what else?
I have put on.
Hmm.
I put
And you
on.
say that you to put on matlab either you can put on clothes or you can put on weight. To put on, you use it in two senses. In two senses, in two meanings. Right? One is to put on weight and the other is to put on clothes. Like I put on a coat yesterday. Put ka past bhi put hota hai. Put ka third form is also put. So you say that, for example, you can ask your kids to put on clothes, to wear clothes. Instead, you can say, please
Put
put
on
on your
clothes.
sweater, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, simply if you use put as a verb, what does the meaning of put mean?
Put. मतलब, keep something. To put.
To keep, put it here, right? Put it on the table,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Put, very simple. What is the past form of this put?
Past form of put is put only.
Put only, yes. The put would never change. Put in is wrong. So you say put only, always. Right? Now put off. Put off is used in two senses again. Write down put off.
Yes, ma'am.
Now put off can be used in two senses. One is बुझाना. लिखो आग बुझाते हैं ना.
Yes, ma'am.
बुझाना, सिगरेट को बुझाना या आग बुझाना. Right? You can put off a cigarette as well.
Put off candles.
Put off the light of the candles, yes. You put off fire, right? Bujhana. And the other thing, the other sense put off can be used for is mood. मेरा mood खराब कर दिया, he put my mood off.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down mood. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what else? Put a finger on it. I used it before. Put a finger on it. Finger on. To put a finger on it. What does this mean?
That it. Keep a finger in it.
I'll tell you. When you can't really tell what exactly is the problem, or what exactly is missing, or what exactly is the issue, or what exactly is, something that you are not able to think of, the exact thing or the idea, you say that I'm sorry, I can't really put a finger on it. For example, there is something really missing today in your clothing. Everything is perfect, but there is something missing. can't put a finger on it. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या, but कुछ तो है. So how do you use it? I can't put a finger on it.
It is that phrase also. Put a finger on it.
Yes. Which one?
This only, put a finger on it.
Yeah, it's a phrase. That's how you use it in English. Like मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या, but ऐसा कुछ तो है. Right? I can't put my finger on it, but there is something really off about your mood. I don't know what. You are maybe angry, or you didn't sleep, or maybe you are, just in a bad mood. I just can't put a finger on it. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, but I can't really point out that exact thing. You understand? Right. So put can be. There is a lot of different ways in which put can be used, but we are going to do the basic ones. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So now you have 5 minutes. अभी जितना put का हमने पढ़ा, you have to make different sentences. You have 2 minutes. Just make different sentences on it. Use your imagination, and I want good sentences. Okay. I'll give you 2 minutes, Nabia.
Ma'am, today what we have studied.
No, just the words like put, put on, put off, and put a finger on it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Nabia. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So let's start. What have you made? Tell me.
She put on weight by 2 kg.
Very good.
Hurry up, put on clothes. We will go soon.
Put on your clothes. We have to leave soon. हमें जाना है. So you, instead of saying go soon, we have to leave soon.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
And-
good.
Put off the light of candles.
Hmm.
Put off cigarette.
Please put off your cigarette. I don't like the smell of it.
Okay, ma'am.
Likho, please put off your cigarette. I don't like the
Please
smell
put
of
off
it.
your finger. I don't like the smell of it. Okay, ma'am.
है ना? बस.
I can't put a finger on it. Put a finger on it. You are looking great, but something is missing. Put a finger on it. I can't put a finger on it.
I can't seem to put a finger on it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You're looking great, but I really can't seem to put a finger
Finger.
on it.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Nabia. So write down what have we learned today?
We have learned about the usage of put.
Yes. We learned a few words as well.
Few words we learned, and I just our school experience we discussed.
Hmm.
A pet, which pet
A
I would like
pet.
to be a pet, and many English words we learned today.
Many English words like to litter. Then very dirty,
Cry.
you call it. Yes.
It's just serene, breeze.
Serene. Mm-hmm. Breeze. Very good, Nabia. So how many sentences? You have to make a lot of sentences on these words, right?
Okay, ma'am.
And you have to make sure that you don't say I told to them. You say I told them.
I told them.
I told her,
Okay, ma'am.
right? I told him,
Okay, ma'am.
right? Not to. You have to stop making this mistake. And I want you to practice your grammar as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Grammar, what tenses I have given you, keep on practicing because you're still making mistakes in that. Now, when you're talking about a past experience that you've already done and you've experienced and it's over, it's simple past,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So don't now if you are saying a story or describing an experience that is over, so you will not add past continuous tense to it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Nabia. So that are those really small areas that you have to work on. Otherwise, you're doing great. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Nabia.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right then. I'll see you tomorrow. Practice on this. Keep on practicing English. Keep on speaking it with everyone you can. जो मिलता है उससे इंग्लिश में बात करने की कोशिश करो. If you think that the other person understands you or would be able to understand, start speaking in English. And if you think that you'd speak wrong English, that is why you're hesitating, then speak wrong. Don't worry about anything. Okay?
Okay,
It's
ma'am.
not going to be the end of the world if you use the wrong grammar or wrong, if you make a grammatical error or use a wrong word instead of one word, you use another word. It's not the end of the world, right? So you have to start speaking more with everyone around you. If they understand English, talk to them in English. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
That is the only way you can get rid of the hesitation that you have in yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? Chalo then. I'll see you tomorrow. Keep on practicing, Nabia.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, this call you are recording for the students who are not that attend. Who are
Now I
not.
don't know. I was just asked to record all the sessions that we are doing.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So I don't know why they're going to use this or not, but yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, Nabia. See you tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am. Have a good day.